Welcome to lasa.africa. Today we initial pronunciation of our BAM new 5T shelf. Let's go and open the box. For the first step, you require 2 part 1s, 1 part 2, 4 part 3 the screws. The item does come on the Allen key. You can use a power tool. Let's assemble. When assembling, make sure the countersunk holes are on the outside. For the next step, you require 4 parts number 2 and 16 parts number 3 to screws. Let's assemble. When assembling, you can either choose where you want. It has various different heights to match. Let's assemble. The item does come with stickers which you can place over your screws. Thank you for watching the assembly of our BAM new 5T shelf. Please go to our website www.lasa.africa to view more of our pro assemblies, more of our products. Thank you.